Today I'm going to be making an immune boosting, hormone balancing, super nutritious avocado and chocolate pudding. Hey guys, and welcome to Live Well with Tia. And the purpose of this channel is to inspire, motivate and coach you into a healthier lifestyle. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. I touched on why it's important for us to boost our immune system in my previous video. And I mentioned a topic I was going to talk about was hormone imbalances. Now, hormones play a large role in our daily health and well-being. An imbalance in your hormones can lead to several health conditions. And although we're not talking about a miracle cure, your diet can play a huge part in prevention and in the healing process of several health conditions. Now, although this is a great immune booster, the ingredients in this recipe also have some amazing health benefits for anyone who's suffering with hormone-related health conditions, such as endometriosis, PCOS, PMS, menopause, fibroids, or infertility in men and women. I just want to throw this out there. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, please make sure that you consult your doctor before you make any lifestyle or dietary changes. Now, if you're a chocolate lover, this you will find delicious. But the benefit is it's extremely good for you. There's absolutely nothing bad for you in this. It will just simply nourish your body and satisfy those sweet cravings. So it's all good me talking about it, but let's just get to it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to talk you through the ingredients to this. I am using 3 avocados, obviously ripe ones, half a cup of coconut milk, about 3 tablespoons of organic cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 2 tablespoons of maca powder, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon. All of these guys are super nutritious, which I'll put all of the benefits in a description box below. So make sure you check them out. Right then, so let's get to it. All we're gonna do is cut our avocados, give it a bit of a twist. I'm gonna do that to all of them. Twist, voila. If you all watched my sweet potato video, you know I'm quite dangerous with a knife. Right then, so all I'm going to do is chop them up. Okay, so once we've done that, we can simply add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the coconut milk. There's no specific order for this, however you see fit. Add the cacao powder, the honey. Now, the honey is optional. I like to make this a little bit sweeter, and I also like the benefits that the honey has. Maca powder, which is so good for you. Lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon. So simple. I'm literally going to blend this together. I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so this is simply optional, but I prefer it with it. So I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla essence, just to give it that little bit of extra natural sweetness. Just going to give this a quick little blend. Okay, so there we go. There we have it. Look at that. Super smooth, chocolatey. Oh, smells amazing. So I'm just going to scoop this into a glass. I'm going to make 2. Now all I'm going to do, after I wipe all the chocolate off my fingers, is sprinkle it with some coconut chips. There we have it. Amazing. Look at that. Perfecto. And there you have it, guys. Another gluten-free, dairy-free, but super nutritious. I'm gonna call it a dessert, so you can have it as a snack any time of the day. What I will recommend is that you place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before you serve it. But if you are going to freeze some of your avocados, then you don't need to. But guys, I hope you found this extremely useful, and I'll put all of the health benefits again in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out. You need to know what you put inside your body and why it's good for you. And please do leave a message in the comment box below, say hello and let me know your thoughts. But as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until we see each other next, stay safe, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Why am I stressing? I better count my blessings. Life could be more threatening.